we are having in not only in East Africa but in all the 24 countries that try to play vaccine. You remember that? Yes. So I told you this is also a learning for us. Some things are going to happen in a way maybe we least expected. Maybe some things we're just imagining. You know, sometimes you sit in office and maybe what you plan is actually not what is on the ground. So you sit there and you have so many imaginations. Will it work out? Will they be able to use mobile phones? Will they actually get these skills on your computer? Just imagine somebody coming from deep those ends, coming to touch a mouse. In 1 week, surely, are we going to have an impact? But when we reach on such a day, and I see all the smiles on your faces, and I see the way you are appreciating, I say, thanks be to God for that. So thank you so much for appreciating to come. Some of you are teachers. You have to go back and try to catch up where the others have reached. I know that. And we really, really appreciate that. But you have sacrificed, and we really apologize. We agree we inconvenienced you. Because it is already school time, the children are in school. But the challenge we had was, you know, when you receive a donation, and the donation comes with commands, you ask yourself, yes, the money is there. The money is supposed to be used before August. So what happens? Before August, we have only one holiday, and yet we are supposed to take this training to all the right to play communities. Tamam? So that's the challenge we had. That is why we inconvenienced you, even when it was school time, because it was the only time we would get you. And after August, and the money will be over. So at least August will reach. This time we can say, even when August reaches, we have a cream. The cream of Uganda has been trained in ICT. Tamam?
Paraganja, Paraganja, Señorita.
Lastly, I would like to thank you so much for putting an effort to learn. You know, people who have made a difference in this world, it's not that they have too much money. It's just that they utilize the little they have. If we gave you money, tomorrow you would use the money and the money would get finished. Isn't it? But what you've got is more than money. Even when you die, the knowledge you will have gained will stay with you. But what are we saying? We don't want to die with all this wealth of knowledge. Leave an impact. Leave an impact where you are. Take the knowledge that you have. Make a difference. Let people in your community know at one time so and so happened in this community. Tamam? And how are you going to make that impact? By utilizing the knowledge that you have. You're going to get the certificate. After this training, we are all going to go away. Isn't it? When you go there, you came in when you were different. Surely you're going out different. Isn't it? When you go out different, what are people going to see to know that you actually came out different? What will people read and know that actually you benefited from the training? What will people see? We want you to leave an impact. So you have the skills right now. And this is already building from what you already had from Right to Play. Tamam? You already have some skills from Right to Play. You are just adding on what you already have. So go out and impact the world. Don't be the same John Bosco they have been saying. This time go and bring value addition to your community. This time go, and when you're not around, let them say, if this one was around, things would have been easier. Because you've chosen to move, to utilize what you have to be able to benefit the others. Tamam? I know as you move out, as you go out with the knowledge, there are going to be challenges as well. We already know. We already know we haven't given you computers. We already know you haven't moved with iPads. We know it. Tamam? But when we go back, the question is, If I am not able to give you an iPad, is it the end of the world? Does that mean you cannot use the knowledge? When you go back to your community, look around. What is available? You remember, sometimes in the beginning we used not to give out balls. What did we used to use? Our own local balls. I know there are some projects that even up to now, they use their local balls, isn't it? So when Right to Play doesn't give you the Adidas balls, what do we call that skill? Creativity, yes. Improvise, exactly. Move out and improvise. I know really in the whole district you not fail to get a computer. So move out and improvise. Because great people have scars. Not because it was a smooth way, but because they had to go an extra mile to be able to impact the world. I am very sure, I am very proud, and I am not ashamed to say that we know we are going to have a lot of quality in our programming as Right to Play because of the knowledge that you have gained. That one we are very, very sure about it. Why? Because we know we have added value. So when you go out, you're also going to add value. Tamam? Now this is the very last one. You know, we have a skill which we call asset-based and needs-based, isn't it? Needs-based is when you see what you do not have. When you go back and you start looking at this paper, this certificate that they have given you, and you ask yourself, surely, all the corruption that is in Uganda, HIV that is everywhere, am I also still relevant? Am I still important? So you look at all the problems that come up, you look at all the weaknesses that come up, you look at all the challenges around full of the bottle, isn't it? But you're also not empty, isn't it? You're not the best, you don't have everything, but you're also not a nobody. You are a somebody. Tamam? Look at what you have. Look at the somebody in you. Look at the assets in you. But focus on what you have, because it is what you have that is going to make you a somebody. Thank you very much for listening.
The clouds are forming! The clouds are forming! Started drizzling!
Thank you very much, Alice. Let's give another clap. A big one.
One, two, three,
my coffee!
Okay. When Alice talked about iPads, I just remember the MPs got iPads. So that one's also you can go and ask the MP. So at this point, I will invite. Where's Linda? Linda, you're good at this.
You come up front, you shake Lina will shake her hand and take a big pose for a picture. So I'll start with Orin, Anna, Rebecca. Yes. Kristen, Dorcas, Ejal. Kakuru, John Bosco. Kenneth Aguzibwe.
First, yeah.
Irunji Lloyd. Ronald Seguliba. Emma Joseph. Emma Joseph.
Excuse me. Up there.
Yamusisi Zaitun.
Up. No, you stand up there.
Hey, you're not taking a picture? Emma, come and say
A good one.
There, where you are.
Just go up here after it.
Just there.
Just my Annette.
We can take pictures.
Magabe Gerald.
Anet. Get back, go back.
Yes. Is the man from where? Nachibari. Achom Susan. Sweetie. Adosi Christine.
Look here.
Adosi Christine.
Behind us.
Okay.
That's why they started.
Look here.
Clients, yeah, they started.
Ayebale Marion.
What's the bedroom?
Ayebale Marion. Namale Jalia. Namale Jalia. Fikirize Alex. Alex.
Okay, look here.
Olinga Patrick.
Yeah, down here.
Olinga Patrick. After this, I'm going to invite Frida from Kibo to come and award some certificates as well. Thank you, Lena. Thank you so much. Great. What? Kaka Madisa. Katsime Sara. Katsime Sara. Katsime Sara. And then the one and only Katsime Alice. You have to get a good picture of this one.
Congratulations, Alice.
Okwan Robert Alex.
First year.
Okello Moses. Okello Moses, where's your gown? Okay. Philip the Bengana. Bengana's cousin. With a T. We have a Bengana somewhere here. Come see the Catherine. Come see the Catherine. The one and only lady from Hoima. Mama. President Umar, are you?
Hold on. Look here.
Kulu Samuel. Joyful, are you ready? I can't pronounce your last name. Joyful, okay. I'll give this to Alice. Akope Caroline. John Patrick. Polot Simon. One Danish, get ready. Danish, one from Lira. Otile Alfred. Achola Judith. Achola Judith. My sister from Lira. Gawe Jonah. Alinite with Sylvia. Namagembe Janet. Benjamin.